psychotherapy, analysis, and so-called workshops only address the superficial problems and difficulties. They don't go any deeper. So he's saying that he's not against it, he's saying that it's not deep enough. Meaning, if you go to past life regression therapy, and they find out that you've been scared of water your whole life, and you don't go near it, not even a bathtub, then you find out that you're immediately from past life regression therapy, hypnotherapy, whatever, that you actually drowned. And then you go, oh, that's why I'm scared of water. That's just a temporary solution. The real solution behind that is that you died for many, many lifetimes. That imprint of you dying violently is the cause of you to have fear of what you're fearing right now. But on a deeper level, just realizing that you drown will not remove the fear. It just removes it superficially for water. But what about the other forms of death that you experience? So what he's saying is a very superficial method. Psychotherapy, he was not referring here to some system of building of confidence. And building confidence, example, by empowering yourself, telling people no, telling people I'm strong, or facing your people who victimize you, and then you're strong, you're empowered. No, people who do that, they're just empowered and they are gaining confidence for short term and for just one item. But if they look deeper and they realize that building of confidence is not just facing your fears or approaching your aggressors or the people who victimize you, it's actually your ego that brought you to that situation in the first place. If you address that, it solves everything. Do you understand? So what he's saying is self-help or self-improvement of human potential movements, right? These small little workshops and stuff, he detested them. Why? They didn't address the higher issue. Do you understand that? He's not saying they're bad. He's not saying they're bad. He's saying that if you have Dharma, you can go even deeper. You can get actually to the source, not just a symptom. Does everybody understand that? That was very good. I'm glad you picked that up. I remember leaving that saying, oh yeah, that's deep. Because I'm not into all these self-help kind of things much either. These workshops and all that stuff like that. It's very superficial. Very, very superficial.